who can provide you opportunities. Sabi nga nila, it's never about what you know sometimes. I'm gonna tell you, it's not even about who you know. It's always about... Alam nyo ba na mas importante ang relasyon o relationship kesa sa pera? You wanna know why? Paminsan naman kasi hindi mo talaga kailangan mag-hard work or mag-struggle for you to have opportunities and for you to make money. Sometimes all you need are quality relationships who can provide you opportunities. Sabi nga nila, it's never about what you know sometimes. I'm gonna tell you, it's not even about who you know. It's always about who knows you and what do they know about you. If you know people and they know you as somebody na mapagkakatiwalaan, somebody that they can rely on, and somebody that they can count on. And these happen to be people that can provide you a break, that can provide you opportunities, maybe who has made it in life, then I will tell you, mas mabilis mong ma-accomplish yung success mo. Mas mabilis mong ma-accomplish. Pero hindi eh. Paminsan mas binibitawan natin yung relationship na feeling ko nga, personally, I believe, mas yun pa yung hat toward success, and we sacrifice all that because of money, because of temporary pleasure, because of short-term greed. Let me tell you, it's not worth it. To make money is easy, but a broken relationship is hard to rebuild again. Yung pera, hindi mo man yan kitain ngayon, pero bukas mangalawa, next month, next year, kaya mong kitain yan eh. Kaya pang mas malaki. Pero yung pagkakasira ng friendship or ng relationship dahil sa kalokohang ginawa mo, mas mahirap i-rebuild yan.